My name is Holly Hollman. I'm the General Counsel of the Baptist Joint Committee for Religious Liberty. The BJC filed a brief on behalf of the respondents to stand with them, along with the United Church of Christ and the stated clerk of the Presbyterian Church USA. We are religious organizations that stand for religious liberty, and in this case, we stand with those who challenge a prayer practice that would make their political rights incumbent on their participation in a prayer with which they don't agree. One thing that the court clearly recognized as an important principle of religious liberty is that one's political standing, one's political rights should not depend on their adherence to religion. In this environment, the town council and other local governments where there is direct, interactive, participatory relationship with government, it is improper for the government then to engage its citizens in an act of religious worship. This is not a position that is against prayer. In fact, all religious people should, and many do, pray for their elected officials, but it's very important to understand that it's not the role of government to lead in religious acts. And when it does, there will be practical problems, there will be theological problems, there will be a myriad things that the court engaged the council in today to talk about that can't be resolved, consistent with our strong tradition of religious liberty that protects all people, whether they believe or don't believe, without harming government or religious congregations.